This time on Street Rat Garage, it is product review time. Let's get started. Today's episode will be sponsored by TOPDON. We have reviewed a couple other products from them before, one being a scanner that worked out really nice. This one today, this is a portable jump starter, and it is incredibly compact and small, and it works really well. I've had it for about 2 weeks and tested it out. We do roadside assistance here at Street Rat Garage, so for the last 2 weeks, I have been using this on all the jump starts that have come in. And it's cold outside. It's winter time right now. And yeah, we've had a lot of dead batteries, a whole lot of dead batteries. And this works absolutely wonderfully. And I like this product. I'm glad they sent it to me to try out. This is one of the better ones. Now, it's pretty basic, it's pretty simple, and it's pretty small. Here's the size of my cell phone. And here's the size of the jump starter. Give you reference. This is iPhone Pro whatever, and this is the jump starter. So all that we have here is a charging cord and the terminals for the jump starting. Now, this is a USB to the whatever you call the small USB ones there. I use this to plug into my 12-volt outlet on my truck, and I can charge it up. After I jump start somebody, I plug it right back in. You can jump start a number of vehicles, but I keep it at full charge, so I just plug it in. By the time I get to the next one, you know, it's 100% again, and yeah, no problems. Now, it has this little cable that just plugs right in to there. It's ready to go. And they purposely made the terminals, the negative, shorter than the black one, so they won't accidentally, you know, touch together. So it does have a boost feature on it. You turn this boost feature on, and it's boom, it's all the power. This thing will jump start a diesel, no problems. And this is not only a jump starter, it is also a power pack. You can use these two USB ports right here, and matter of fact, this same cord I can plug in to that, and it also fits my iPhone, so I can charge my iPhone if it gets too dead off of this using the same cord. So it also has a little flashlight on it too, which it has come in handy a couple times to make sure that I'm hooking it up properly, which you don't have to worry about cross wiring these as well on the battery. It won't allow you that that luxury of doing that, so you don't have to worry about burning out the unit. But it is incredibly small, incredibly compact, and incredibly powerful. As a matter of fact, I normally carry 2 large jump packs, and I have not used them once in the last 2 weeks. Just this one right here, it starts everything better than the 2 big jump packs that I have. So I might be ordering a second one to carry with me, and putting a couple of them in our vehicles. So these things are great. Now, it also comes with this little box right here. This is actually an intelligent box that you can download the app to. You don't even need to plug it into this. You can plug this onto your battery, and you can test the battery with this unit right here all by itself. It also tests the alternator and the starter as well. So it's a multi-function tool, just this all by itself. So that's a neat little trick. It'll tell you whether your alternator's good, it'll tell you whether your battery is bad, all that fun stuff. So let's have a quick demonstration. Let's go outside. I have a dead vehicle right now that we can go jump start. Okay, we are out here in the cold and snow. It's like maybe 20-ish something degrees out, and we have our TOPDON jump starter here, and we have our truck that has been sitting out here in the cold and snow for the last couple weeks with a dead battery. So we will get this hooked up. But first of all, let's make sure that the battery is dead. All right, we are here inside the truck, and there's no power. There's nothing. There's no lights on the dash. Nothing moves. We have zero battery power whatsoever. Absolutely nothing. So let's get hooked up and see if we can jump start this dead truck. All right, we have our main unit and we have our cables here. All that we're gonna do is plug this right into here, and you can't get this wrong too because they're two different sizes. And all that we have to do is run one to negative and one to positive, and the lights light up. It says we have 100%. Now let's go inside and see if this will start up real quick. You don't have to let it sit any time at all. It should just immediately fire up, just like that. And we're done. One completely dead battery. Obviously the alternator's working, but we can test that as well through the app. And that'll tell you whether the battery is good. It'll tell you whether the alternator is good. You put it back together and you're ready to go. Your dead battery is charging itself up. You're all ready to go. All right, we are back inside, and man, is it cold out there. So we got the truck up and running, no problems, 100% dead to back to life just like that. So this is the app you can download. Like I said, it tests the battery. There's a cranking test, there's a charging test, and real-time voltage to tell you how much your alternator's putting out, how much your battery is holding. And yeah, it also keeps track of all the tests that you have done in the past, so you can review back and see just how good your batteries are performing. So now what I'm going to do is, for a limited time, there is a discount code that I'm going to add a link to. Right now they have 3 different types of these chargers. This is the V2200S. They also have a V2000 and a third 3000A. So this is a 2200A, there's a 2000A, and there's a 3000A. So you can get any of those right now with this 20% off code from Amazon, which I will link in the description below. So definitely a good gift idea for just about anybody in your family. I could have used quite a few of these in my daughter's car and my wife's car when I had to go jumpstart their vehicles because, you know, people leave their headlights on. You can put this in your glove box, your center console, in your trunk, and have it ready. But I believe they will be using it more for the emergency charging features that it has for your tablets, your iPhones, and all your devices. So it will definitely get a lot of use. So go visit them. Links in the description below. Pick you up one of these chargers. You won't regret it. So that is going to wrap it up for this episode of Street Rack Garage. Until next time.